Great to always have you. What's your sort of reason take on the budget? Again, coming back to that question that for an unusual year when you're looking for big change, much is being made of the fact that actually there's not been much change and this budget is kind of business as usual. But that seems to have made the good folks at CII very happy. But is that really what we needed at this time? Didn't we want change, disruptive solutions?
Well, I'm on the school of thought that what hasn't changed is good, and that is there isn't all this little tweaking of taxes here and there, which just wrecks sentiment and causes more angst than gives result. But I do think that there is change in terms of the big asks out there. This is the first time we're actually seeing the government come to terms with the fiscal deficit being way higher than what had been committed to, then going with it in terms of accepting that it will be at the 9.5% sort of levels. And the good news is that most of the government borrowing is going to be used towards CapEx. And that CapEx and the structures therein are, I think, very critical. I was delighted to see the commitment being made to structures like InvITs and REITs. These investment vehicles have been used around the world with great success, and we have struggled in India to see the first of them actually floated. And now we have governments saying that they will put their revenue earning assets or some part of it, the InvIT to be created for NHAI, 7,000 crores, 5,000 crores from Power Grid. These going into these structures is a start. And what it will help is monetizing of assets which are good, earning, and helps to plow back the money to infrastructure. I believe the commitment this government has made, A, into CapEx and B, into the right structures, financial structures, are very important. So other than the InvIT and REIT, I'm sure that, this has already been mentioned by you, but I would like to reiterate that I think the creation of the ARC Asset Management Company, not strictly a bad bank, that structure again is the right structure to get the NPAs moving.
Naina?
Because, yeah, sorry.
Right. Naina Lal Kidwai, I only have faith in your judgment, so I want to ask you, after you've made so much money with the stock market going up to nearly 50,000 Sensex, and, it's booming, I don't own any stocks. Is it going to boom again next year? Should everybody wait and, buy stocks? Should I buy one or two here or there? Actually, I don't like to get into stocks. But is the stock market going to go up? That's my bottom line question. I have only faith in your judgment, and everybody does, so don't say it all depends.
Well, it does all depend, right, Pranoy? And I'm like you. I don't have any investment in stocks, but I do have investments in mutual funds. So yes, I'm delighted to see the stock market go up for one reason alone, and that is that governments got a big LIC IPO and IPOs as a way to disinvest some of the assets. And if we are to close the gap on our fisc, as you well know, this is the time to do it. We saw it happen through the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government and Arun Shourie, where I do believe it was an excellent disinvestment program, where the monies that came through the stock markets was important. And we have that opportunity today, and it is for government to really avail of this quickly.
Yeah.